Hi everyone. This video, I want to talk about Medicare a little bit. The question is, if you turn 65, do you have to join Medicare right away or not? That's a question that some of you might want to know. So in this video, I will share a bit about this topic so that those of you who haven't had a chance to know can know a little more. Okay, Medicare. This is the federal healthcare program that you can join when you turn 65. Of course, some of you might be able to join earlier than 65 if you have a medical condition recognized by Social Security. In this video, I'm only talking about the topic for those of you turning 65. That's all in this video. When you turn 65, you can join Medicare. Remember, I said can, not that you're required to join, okay? If you have worked, paid taxes, and earned 40 work credits, most people will join Medicare. There are two main parts. Part A, which is the hospital coverage. You don't have to pay anything for it if you've worked, paid taxes, and earned enough credits, or if your spouse has worked, paid taxes, and earned enough credits. That's why many of you join Part A, okay? And the other main part is Medicare Part B. This Part B is not related to the credits you earn from working or paying taxes into Social Security. Part B is the outpatient coverage, like when you visit a doctor and then go home. The price this year that many people pay is $174.70 per month. Next year, it will increase to $185 per month. Of course, those who have higher incomes from 2 years ago will have to pay a higher rate, but normally many people pay that standard rate, okay? Okay, Part B is the part I want to talk about in this video because it has a cost that you have to pay. Do you need to join at age 65 or not? Let me share a few things so you can see if you need to join or not. Medicare Part B has 3 periods when you can join. The first period is when you turn 65. You can join, but you don't have to join during this first period. This initial period includes the 3 months before you turn 65 and the 3 months after you turn 65. Okay? You don't need to join if you are still working or your spouse is still working and provides health insurance for you. In that case, you can delay and join later. Keep in mind, though, that the insurance from the company you or your spouse work for must be from a company with at least 20 employees. Okay? Then, when that insurance is no longer available, or if you stop working, you'll have 8 months to join during the second period without any penalties. And this second period is called the special enrollment period. During this special enrollment period, you don't need to pay any additional fees. Whatever the price is at that time, that's the price you'll pay. Okay. If you don't join during the first period and you don't have insurance from your own or your spouse's employer, or you do, but the company doesn't have at least 20 employees, then later you'll have to join during the final period, which is the third period called the general enrollment period. In this third period, you can't join just any time. If you join during this third period, you may face penalties. For each year you delay joining, you'll have to pay an additional 10% of the premium at that time. If you're 2 years late, you'll pay 20% more, and this penalty will last for life. Okay, also, you can only join during this period from January 1st to March 31st each year, not any time. And if you join during that time, Medicare Part B will become effective the following month. So please take note of this. Okay, the other thing I want to mention is that if you want to join Medicare, you should contact Social Security. Okay, Social Security handles services related to enrolling in Medicare. You can join by contacting Social Security through their office, by phone, or through their website, okay? You don't enroll through Medicare. And for those of you who are already receiving benefits from Social Security before age 65, Social Security will automatically enroll you in Medicare, especially in both Part A and Part B. If you feel that you don't want to join Part B at age 65 because you might still be working or your spouse is still working and providing insurance for you, you can contact Social Security and ask them not to enroll you in Part B at age 65, okay? So, this is the topic I wanted to share a little about. I'll be back with more videos later. Thank you so much, and goodbye.